Boy, team of the Boulevard, wow, you really outdid yourself at the last front yard cookout.
Good. You're gonna do it again?
Thank you so much for inviting us over for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Your huge and beautiful landscaped garden is just like your own personal park. It's such a delightful place to chill out and enjoy a good meal.
Any weather.
And speaking of food, my favorite menu, which is steamed fish, was juicy and cooked to perfection. The side dishes were excellent and the dessert selection was heavenly. We feel so honored to have been included in your annual dinner party to kick off the fall season.
Selfi outside, you know, Selfi ever there, man.
We enjoyed visiting the Washington Boulevard, Kingston, Jamaica, and also meeting your big group of friends. You are always such an incredible dinner host, and we had a great time. You know, chopper to $1. Selfi TV! No cassette, no CD, no DVD. And we are watch.
Cannot be Selfi TV, and we are watch.